Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are continuing our declutter series. So I am doing my blushes today. If you guys have not seen my other declutter videos, I will have a playlist linked down below so you guys can check it out. We've done highlighters, we've done eyeshadow palettes, and we've also done bronzers now. So today we are going to be decluttering my blushes. If you guys don't know, I have a schedule here on my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you guys want to subscribe down below, that is when you'll receive new content from me. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this declutter. All the blushes laid out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a keep pile, a sell pile, and a gifting pile. Getting started here, the very first blush I have right here is from Mellow, and this one is in Peach. I've actually used this quite a few times and I really like it, but I haven't used it a bunch. I still wanna try this out. I'm still trying out the brand Mellow, but I have liked what I've tried from them so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one. Next one here is from Too Faced, and this is in Justify My Love, and I do think this is a super pretty blush, but I do not reach for it very often at all. I have one that is from Tarte that's very similar to this one, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in my sell pile. Next one here is from Essence, and this is their Satin Touch Blush, and this one is in Satin Love. I absolutely love Essence's blushes. I think that they are so beautiful. I really like the color of this one. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one. And here I have another one from them. This is their Mosaic blush, and this one is in All You Need Is Pink. Again, I'm going to be keeping this because I adore the formula of their blushes. I think that they're really good and they are affordable, so I like holding on to these for drugstore tutorials. This next one I have here is from Found, and this is their Naked Illuminating Blush. I've actually never even opened this, so I think I'm going to go ahead. This is in Pink Glow. I think I'm going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway for you guys since I've never even opened it. Clearly, I'm not using it as much as I should be, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in a giveaway. This next one here is like a bronzer and blush duo from Motive Cosmetics. I haven't really used this one a bunch, but I do really love the formula of their blushes and their bronzers. I'm going to put this in the keep for now, and then I'll come back to it. Next blush is from Ofra, and this is in Pink Satin. I absolutely love the color of this blush. I think it is such a pretty just pink, and I really like it, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. This next one is from Pixi, and this is in Rome Rose. I think that this blush is absolutely beautiful. It has like a little bit of shimmer to it, and it is one of my favorite blushes. I love it. I'm going to keep this one. This next one here is from Tarte. This is a deluxe sample of their Party blush. I believe I got this in like my Sephora birthday thing. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my sell pile because I do have a full size of this blush that they sent me. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it out here now that I absolutely adore Tarte's formula of their blushes. And they recently just sent me, I think, close to all of them. So I have a bunch of them here that they sent me. So I know that I'm going to go ahead and keep actually all of these because I haven't had the chance to try out all the colors yet, and I know that I love the formula of them so much. These are their Amazonian Clay 12-hour blushes, so I want to keep all of these. I know that that's not good for this declutter, but I just recently got these from Tarte, and I absolutely love them. I've tried quite a few of them, but there's a few that I haven't tried out yet, so I'm going to keep all of these. Sorry, I know. Next one here is from Becca, and this is in Snapdragon. This is the only blush that I actually own from Becca other than what's in my face palettes, and I actually think it's super pretty. It's a really pretty blush. I love their compact as well. It's a classic like Becca compact, but it makes it really easy to store, and I think this is a really pretty blush, so I'm going to keep this one. Next one I have here is from Makeup Revolution, and this is a matte blush, and this is kind of like a purple shade. It's hard to see right now with the lighting that I have, but it is a like purpley blush, and this one is in Divine. I think I'm going to go ahead and put this one in my cell. I don't really use it very often, and I also think that one of the Tarte ones I saved is very similar to this one, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. This next one here is from Stellar, and this is in the shade Flare. This is a really pretty blush. I love the color of it. I love the luminosity that it has. I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. This next one here is from Almay, and this is in, what shade is this? Pink Rose. I think that this is a really, really pretty blush. I just don't reach for it very often. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in my gifting pile. So we have the Butter Blush from Physicians Formula, and this one is in Natural Glow. I love this blush. I love the bronzer of this. I love the blush of this. It's a really, really great formula. I'm gonna keep this one. The next one I have here is from Wet n Wild, and this is in Rose Champagne. So it says it's a blush, but I think that it is very close to like a shimmery, maybe highlight even, or bronzer, because I feel like it is a little bit dark. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in my cell just because I don't use it for a blush, but it is a very pretty color, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. Next blush here is from Shanny Cosmetics, and this is in Dollhouse. I think that this is a really cute blush color. I think it's nice, but I think I own one that's very similar to this in my Tarte ones as well. So I think I'm gonna put this one in my gifting pile. Next blush here is from Sleek Makeup, and it is a really, really pretty, deep kind of apricot-y color. I think that this is a really unique color. I don't have a ton that are like this one, and this is in Suede, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one just because I don't have a lot of blushes like this, and I think it's a really different color, and I like this color. The next one I have here is a duo, so it has a bronzer and a blush from e.l.f., and this is in St. Lucia. I think that this is absolutely one of my favorite palettes from e.l.f. I think that the blush in here is gorgeous, and I really like the bronzer shade as well, so I'm gonna keep this. The next blush here is from Catrice, and this is their illuminating blush. I think that this is so pretty. This is an I Am Nuts About You. Look at how pretty this is. I don't know. I feel like I haven't really used it, but it's so pretty that I want to use it. I'm gonna put it in my keep for now, and we'll come back to it. This next blush here is from Dirty Little Secrets, and this one is in Kitty Pink. I think that this is a really pretty blush. I think it's super close to the MAC one I'm gonna look at next though, so I think I'm gonna put this one in my gifting pile. This is the MAC one. This is in Rosy Outlook. I love this blush. I've been using this blush for a long time now. It's one of my favorites, so I'm gonna keep this one. Next one here is from The Balm, and this is the Cindy Luminizer. I actually really, really like this. I think that it's such a pretty blush color. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. This next one I have here is from Lottie London, and this is a blush crush, and this is in the shade Zane. I think that this blush is super, super pretty. I like that it's kind of like a mauve color. I actually haven't even gotten to try this yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one because I need to try it out still. Thing with this one from Gorgeous Cosmetics, I haven't even got to try it out yet, but this is in Strawberries and Cream, and it is a cream blush, so I'm going to keep this one for now. This next one here is from Makeup Revolution, and this is a matte blush, and this one is in Be Loved. And again, I don't really reach for my Makeup Revolution ones very often, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one in my sell pile. Next blush I have is from Sigma, and this is in Coda Rosa. I love this blush. Very, very pretty blush. Very different color. I am going to keep this. Moving on, I have this little Cha-Cha tint from Benefit, and I'm not sure which one this is. It says Mango Tinted. I tried using this as a lip tint, or I mean as a cheek tint and as a lip tint, but it kind of like stained my face. I wasn't really a fan of it, so I'm going to put this in my gifting pile. I have this little deluxe sample one from Milk Makeup, and this one is in... I have this little sample one from Milk Makeup, and this is in Rally. I think that this is a super pretty cream blush. I don't have a lot of cream blushes, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. Next we have the NARS Orgasm Blush. Definitely keeping this. This is one of my favorite blushes. Next, I just have some sample ones from The Balm. I got these, I think, in my Ipsy bag. I'm going to keep these because they're just so cute and little, and it makes it really easy to travel with. Just some nice blushes, and I don't own full sizes of these, and I think that they're super pretty, so I'm going to go ahead and keep these. I have some box ones from Benefit. We have the California Girl. I think that this is a gorgeous blush. It's so, so pretty. I have the Rocketeur, which is also super, super pretty. I love that they have a little bit of luminosity to them. And then I also have the Dandelion blush, which I've been using like crazy lately, especially in the summertime. It's one of my favorite blushes. So I'm going to keep all three of these. And my last blush here is from Milani, and this is a baked blush in Luminoso. I love this blush. I am obsessed with this blush, and I'm keeping this blush. So this definitely wasn't my best declutter. We have 32 blushes in my keep pile. So obviously I need to go ahead and get rid of quite a few more because this is way too many blushes to keep. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this one from Catrice because like I said, I haven't really gotten to use it. So I'm gonna put this one in my gifting pile. Let's get rid of some more here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass along this bronzer and blush duo from Motives just because I tend to not reach for duos very often. I'm gonna put this one in my gifting pile. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and gift this one from Lottie London. So this is our keep pile right here. We have 29 blushes. What is my life? I think that it seems like a lot because I kept all these ones from Tarte, which I'm still trying out. I haven't got to try them, so I'm definitely gonna come back to those. And also I counted each one of these little ones from the Balm. But I do feel happy with how many we've decluttered. I know that I didn't get rid of a bunch of them, but I feel like we did condense it down a lot. I have here my gifting pile, so I have 7 different blushes in my gifting pile. My sale pile right here, we have 5 different ones, and then I have 1 in my giveaway pile. So not the best declutter I've done, but I feel pretty good about the ones we're keeping. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this declutter. Let me know how you think I did down in the comment section down below. Let me know some of your favorite blushes, which ones you think I should have decluttered, or which ones you think I should pick up to add to my collection. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.